Hello friends, welcome to Bachelors Canteen. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare white sauce pasta at home. Let's boil our pasta at first. I'm using 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of oil, a pinch of salt. It's time to add the pasta. Bring it to a boil and cook it for nearly about 8 to 10 minutes. Pierce the pasta with a fork and check whether it has been cooked properly or not. Let's prepare the veggies. Heat oil in a pan. I'm using 2 tablespoons of oil. Add dried red chili, add finely chopped garlic. Mix them together till the garlic is golden brown in color. Add 1 finely chopped onion. Red chilies with onion is an amazing combination in white sauce pasta. I'm using 1/4 cup of sweet corn and half bell pepper, which is diced in cubes. After mixing them well, it's time for seasoning. Add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of water and cook all the masalas together. It's time to prepare the delicious white sauce. I'm using 2 tablespoons of butter, 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or Maida, You need to ensure to cook the Maida really well till the time the raw smell of the Maida is gone. Add 2 cups of milk, mix it well so that there are no lumps in the sauce. You can even use a whisker for that. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, half a teaspoon of oregano, add salt to taste. Mix everything and cook it for nearly about 3 minutes. The white sauce is ready and it's time to add your veggies. Add your pasta and coat everything nicely in the sauce. Enjoy the yummy pasta with your friends and family, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Bachelors Canteen. Thank you very much.